we'll have to give that to Marcus.
Woody woodpecker right outside our bedroom window. Look at that.
Look at them chewing holes. What do they do? What do they get out of that?
I'm recording this.
What do they get out of that?
I think they're looking for insects. I'm putting this on YouTube, so don't say anything you don't want heard. Ah. Wow.
Wow.
Right outside our window on the 3rd floor. I'm going to see if I can move this down here and get through. Oh, there's a screen there too, never mind. And I wonder if they see you, if they get spooked.
Well, yeah. I wonder.